Hello friends, welcome to this scenario of engineering and technology. Vision of Institute to establish premier knowledge center imparting quality of education, research for development of India. Mission of Institute to establish engineering and management institute with state-of-art infrastructure to enrich teaching learning process to innovative practices, to conduct sequential courses in collaboration with industry. Shatabdi Institute of Engineering and Research is approved by AICTE New Delhi, DTE Mumbai, and it is affiliated to University of Pune. We have well qualified, experienced and dedicated staff members. We have well-equipped, well-furnished laboratories. We have spacious, well-ventilated classroom with LCD and overhead projector facility to enhance the teaching. We have hostel for boys and girls. We have 2 Mbps internet connectivity. We have bus for staff and students from every possible location in Nasik. We have full-fledged library with large number of books. In library, we have various sections such as periodical section, reference section, magazine section, newspaper section, e-library section.
Shatabdi Institute of Engineering and Research, Agaskhind. Research for development, research for growth. Our primary objective is to build the future of our nation, imparting quality education to the young generation. The institute is based amidst nature in 60+ acres of land in Nasik district on Ghoti-Sinnar highway. It is well connected with Nasik railway station, just 17 km and 9 km ahead from Devlali Camp railway station. We are proud to say that Shatabdi Institute of Engineering and Research, Agaskhind is affiliated to University of Pune, approved by AICTE and DTE Mumbai. AVEW Trust is in education field since 1986 and has established its first technical institute in year 2009 in the name of Shatabdi Institute of Engineering and Research, Agaskhind. It was established to introduce premier knowledge center imparting quality education and research contributing to national development. Our infrastructure has world-class buildings adhering to AICTE norms with ultra-modern computer lab with TFT screen, a well-equipped and modern library. We also have well-equipped chemistry and physics labs, a modern basic electronic lab, basic civil engineering lab, mechanical engineering lab, electrical lab. We also have a virtual learning center at the institute. Airy and spacious classrooms are being provided at SIER with high-tech technology LCD projectors for effective learning. We have well-qualified and experienced teaching and non-teaching staff according to the AICTE norms. Last but not the least, we have transportation facility right from the city to the college campus. Yes, Shatabdi Institute of Engineering and Research is a world-class premium center of education and all the aspects of the students are taken care of. The courses offered in institute are Mechanical Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Computer Engineering, Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. Department of Mechanical Engineering comprises of Metallurgy Lab, Fluid Mechanics Lab, Computer Lab, IC Engines Lab, Electrical Lab and Thermodynamics Lab. Department of Computer Engineering. It has highly qualified staff and all the extra modern facilities according to the AICTE norms. We have 4 application softwares and 2 system licensed software. The department comprises of Programming Lab, Digital Electronic Lab, Microprocessor Lab, Computer Graphics Lab and Multimedia Lab. Department of Electronics and Telecommunication. It has up-to-date labs prescribed according to the university. Quality instrument and advanced machinery are being provided. Electronic Devices and Circuit Lab, Network Lab, Digital Lab, Power Electronic Lab, Electronics Instrumentation Lab, Integrated Circuit Lab, Computer and Microprocessor Lab, and Analog Communication Lab. Electrical Engineering Lab. It has Electrical Power Plant Engineering Lab, Analog and Digital Electronic Lab, Electrical Measurements and Instrumentation Lab, Electrical Power System Lab, Electrical Machine Lab, Network Lab, Computer Programming Lab, and Microprocessor Lab. Engineering Workshop. A hand-on experience make a person professional, where all students are given individual attention, which helps them to build up their confidence. Library. It has a collection of 6,000 books and around 40 national and international journals, and separate section for periodicals and e-library. The library has a seating capacity of 200 students. Besides this, we have membership of ISTE, IETE, Computer Society of India, ARAI Pune. We have departmental library and seminar hall for each department. Our faculty and counselors are always considered to be helpful to the students in all aspects like intellectual, spiritual, mental, and physical. Games and sports are being provided in order to refresh students. As we all have heard the well-known saying, all work and no play make Jack a dull boy. Various value-added programs like yoga classes, Vipassana, personality development, etc. are being carried out in the institute from time to time.
Namaskar. Amruta Vaishnavi Education and Welfare Trust Kalyan, District Thane, is one of the renowned institutes in the state of Maharashtra. The vision of the trust is to provide a stream of quality professionals, catering to the requirement of the industry and manpower needs of the nation. It is established with the aim of preparing young people for global careers in industry and business by providing quality education. We are the pioneers in education in this region. Trust is in the education field since last 24 years. We have D.Ed., B.Ed and M.Ed colleges at Kalyan, District Thane, as well as at Agaskin, District Nasik. From the academic year 2009 and 10, the trust has entered into the technical education field and has started Shatabdi Institute of Engineering and Research at Agaskin. We have world-class buildings at the engineering campus and have provided all necessary facilities to the students as per the norms of the AICTE.